Hi, I'm Mark from the Landscape Academy, and today we're going to look at the installation guide for London Stone DesignClad. DesignClad is a large format 5mm vitrified porcelain tile, which can be used in a variety of vertical applications and settings. Start with the timber batten fixed level to the wall at the point required. Measure and mark out the width of the DesignClad from your starting point. Mark the width vertically with a spirit level or a plumb line to ensure the position of the DesignClad is straight. Apply flexible tile adhesive to the wall, covering an area bigger than the tile. Apply flexible tile adhesive to the back of the wall tile. Gently move the tile into position using your timber batten as the guide. Place DesignClad on the wall. Fix it firmly and gently tap into place. We are using a white rubber mallet to prevent damaging or marking the DesignClad. Check the tile is level with a spirit level. Use tile spaces between tiles to create an even joint. London Stone recommend a joint width of 3mm. When cutting London Stone's DesignClad porcelain, it is important to use the correct equipment, machinery and blades. London Stone have a good range of equipment. Check their website for more details. When cutting, always remember to follow the HSE regulations and wear the appropriate PPE. DesignClad is easy to maintain and very durable. It adds a dramatic luxury feel to any outdoor space.